Is God a maker or the creator? The Nicene Creed teaches that God is the maker of heaven and earth. The Greek word poietes means maker in English. It appears in both the Apostles' Creed and the Nicene Creed. However, when translated into Latin, it is different. In the Apostles' Creed, it becomes creatorum, creator. And in the Nicene Creed, it becomes factorum, maker. In Genesis chapter 1, the same Greek verb, hypoiesin, is used to mean both to make and to create. Why? The reason is the following. In ancient Greek, the word poieo, to make, covered both creating something and the one who creates it, because they did not have separate words for to create and creator. The phrase heaven and earth does not appear in the original creed of Nicaea. It was added later at the Council of Constantinople in 381 AD to counter the teachings of the Gnostics and the Marcionites. They maintained that God the Father created only the spiritual realm, while an evil god known as the Demiurge created the corrupt material world. The Bible opens with, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." The biblical phrase heaven and earth encompasses all of existence, signifying the totality of creation. Through divine wisdom and love, God brought all of creation into existence from nothing. This creation is an ordered and good world, and God transcends creation and is present simultaneously within it. Creation is not a singular past event. It is an ongoing process throughout history, culminating in a new creation at the end of time. God is both the creator and sustainer of the universe, continuously upholding all things. It is important to distinguish between creation and scientific discovery and invention. Creation in its theological context is the act of making something out of nothing. Science, in contrast, engages in discovery and invention. Discovery reveals what already exists, while invention crafts something new from existing matter. The Bible states that God created everything out of nothing. The Greco-Roman world at that time believed matter was eternal and that matter had always existed. So pervasive was this idea that even some Christians assumed that God formed things from pre-existing matter. Theophilus of Antioch explained that Scripture clearly states God created matter itself. Genesis 1:1 asserts that God created everything. In the beginning, when God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:2 further clarifies that the created earth in its initial state was without form or shape. God then shaped and ordered this matter to form a habitable world. Scientific inquiry has long grappled with origins of the universe and humanity. Fundamental questions concerning the timing and mechanisms of life's development, the emergence of the universe, and human evolution have driven scientific exploration, resulting in various evolutionary theories. Christians respond to scientific theories in different ways. Some creationists, who interpret the Bible literally and support ideas like the flat earth or geocentrism, reject modern science. Others, like theistic evolutionists, embrace science and believe God works through evolution and natural laws. The origins of the universe and life are difficult to test or observe. Therefore, rather than focusing solely on the when and how of physical origins, it is crucial to explore the why. Is the universe governed by chance, necessity, or a transcendent, benevolent God? Scientific discoveries, rather than contradicting faith, can inspire greater awe for the Creator's majesty, prompting gratitude for both creation and the intellectual gifts bestowed upon scientists. Heaven is the dwelling place of God, angels, saints, and the blessed. It is also the ultimate destination of the righteous. The Hebrews divided heaven into three regions. The word for heaven, Samayim, refers to, first, the region above the earth where birds fly. Second, the realm of the stars, sky, and air. And third, the invisible dwelling place of God. The Greek word uranos is defined in three ways. First, as heaven, the sky, air, or firmament, any area above the earth. Second, as the heavens, the realm of the sun, moon, and stars. And third, as the highest heaven, the dwelling place of God. Our Catechism teaches the communion of life and love with the Trinity, the Virgin Mary, the angels, and all the blessed is called heaven. As heaven is God's realm, earth is human realm. Earth in Hebrew pronounced Yeheretz can refer to the inhabited earth, the earth as a whole, the land of a particular territory, simply the ground, as well as the realm of the dead, Sheol. At the second coming of Jesus, a new heaven and a new earth will be created for the blessed. God's reign will fill the new creation. God created me and the universe in which I live. As a creature, I naturally love, obey, and worship my Creator. I see the glory of God in creation and receive sustenance from His providence. I respect the laws inscribed within creation. As a creature, I will strive to exist in interdependence with others, to complement one another, and to be in service to each other.